In this video, I'm going to show you what causes the 6.0 Powerstroke to have turbo issues with it spooling and making power properly. Also, I'm going to show you how to permanently fix that. Here's the bearing housing, the heat shield goes here, and this is the unison ring. The main issue with this is that the bearing housings, they'll start to rust and then they'll lock that unison ring in place. So the best way to fix that is to remove all the rust right here on this edge, but also this area you should remove all the rust here and on the turbine housing side, because if it rusts here it expands and pushes the ring into the vanes and can jam it. But also if it rusts in this area, it can make it so that the unison ring cannot spin properly. To see and check your issue with your truck, just take the unison ring here and make sure you have plenty of clearance with it moving around there. Get all that rust off. I sandblasted this and painted it. If you're sandblasting it, just make sure you clean everything properly. I'm not going to show you in this video on how to do that, but I'll show you in the next one. If you've waited too long, it can wear out the unison ring and cut a hole or like a little gap in the side of the ring. It's best to replace those, so I'll link to that in the description box. This part can also wear out and cause an issue. This one isn't really as bad, but you can see where it started to wear there. The circle looks good. So I'm just probably going to end up reusing this one because it's not in that bad a shape. But I have replacements of this part, and the vanes. I'll link to those in the description box, as well as for the rebuild kit. Stay subscribed for the next video, and I'm going to show you how to put this together.